Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Biofactory for NEAT Plant Kingdom with Economic Importance of Algae. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. Like, follow and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the economic importance of algae in various fields. Algae, it have a capability to perform photosynthesis. Nearly 50% of photosynthesis on earth it is carried out by algae only. Algae are useful to human being in a variety of ways. Nearly 50% of the total carbon dioxide it is fixed by algae on earth through photosynthesis. Algae, it helps to increase the dissolved oxygen percentage in water and it is supplied to aquatic organisms for their respiration. They are of paramount importance as primary producers of energy rich compounds which form the basics for food cycle in aquatic ecosystem for aquatic animals. One of the scientists, Miller, in the year of 1972, he suggested that algae can be used as a protein rich food for human being, so that nearly 70 species of marine algae it can be used as a food by various organisms. One of the example, that is chlorella. So chlorella is rich with proteins. Nearly 50% of proteins are present along with 20% of carbohydrates and vitamins, so that these chlorella can be used as a food supplement by us. Many red algae, these are edible in nature, like porphyra, that is called laver, chondrus, it is called Irish moss, and rhodymenia is also called as sheepweed. These can be feeding for animals. A number of brown algae, these are used as a food supplement in some of the countries. Example, laminaria, it is also called kombu, macrocystis, sargassum, and alaria, it is called sarumen. These are the brown algae can be used as a food and also used as a fodder for animals. Some of the algal species like codium and ulva, it is called sea lychee. These are dried and salted, then it can be used in the preparation of salads and vegetables in some of the European countries. Planktonic algae, it constitutes the major food for several freshwater and marine water organisms such as protozoans, crustaceans, and fishes, especially fishes, form an important protein source for human being. Indirectly, these fishes can eat algae to get that such type of proteins. Some of the marine brown and red algae, they can produce a large amount of hydrocolloids. These are also called water holding substances. Some of the examples like carrageenan. It is a polysaccharide colloid, especially it is a phycocolloid. It is obtained from some of the red algae like Chondrus crispatus, Giardinia satellata, and these can be used in pharmaceutical emulsifier and cleaning agent, along with it is used in painting. Kerosene, it have clarifying property so that it can be used in liquids, leather finishing and emulsifier in chocolates, ice creams, toothpaste and paste, etc. Kerosene, it is also used as a blood coagulant. Some of the glues like Finori, this glue it having adhesive and it is used in sizing textiles and papers. Such type of glue it is obtained from one of the algae, that is a Gliopeltes. One more hydrocolloid material, it is called alginic acid or algin. Alginic acid, it is a polymer of carbohydrate and phycocolloid in nature. Such type of alginic acid, it is obtained from brown algae like Laminaria, Macrocystis, Nereocystis and Fucus, along with Sargassum. This alginic acid, it is used in stabilizing emulsions, flame-proof plastic and security plastic preparation. Alginic acid and its salts called alginates. This polysaccharides is made up of glucuronic acid and mannuronic acid. These are used in emulsions, especially in the preparation of ice creams, ointments, toothpaste, cosmetics, creams, and shampoos. Along with that, this alginic acid it is used in sizing textile, flame proof plastic, and soundproofing. One of the another important commercial product, it is called agar agar. Agar agar is a non-nitrogenous carbohydrate consisting of two polysaccharides like agarose and agropectin. This agar agar it is obtained from some of the algal members like Gelidium and Gracilaria. This agar it is generally insoluble in cold water, but it is soluble in hot water. This agar can be used as a solidifying agent in culture medium preparation, ice cream preparation, and also used in making of cheese and jellies along with creams. Agar is added as a stabilizer or thickener in industrial preparation of jellies, pudding, creams, cheese, and bakery industry. Agar agar is also used in medicines, especially in pills and ointments as a laxative in a number of medicines. Algae, it can be used in space, especially two algae like chlorella, Senidesmus. These have a capability for providing fairly high amount of oxygen by photosynthesis so that it can be useful for astronauts. Chlorella pyrenoidosa. It is also called space algae. These can be used in best and various ways by exobiologists, especially these having a main use including food, disposal of carbon dioxide, and making of oxygen available to astronauts. And these chlorella pyrenoidosa can reduce organic waste in space flights. Some of the algal members can be used as a medicine, especially the first algal antibiotic, it is called chlorellin. This chlorellin antibiotic, it have a capable for curing worm infection and it is extracted from chlorella in 1944 year. Some of the another antibiotics are also obtained from various algal members like Rhodomella, Aciophyllum, Laminaria, and some of the antibiotics which are obtained from Druvilli has vermifuse property. The members of corals can kill larvae and thus prove as a helpful in checking the mosquitoes in water. Many algae like Corallina and Codium, these are used in the preparation that are commonly used in the treatment of kidneys, bladder and lung diseases. Some of the algal members are useful in sewage treatment, especially the sewage water is rich with organic and inorganic materials. Some of the algal members like Chlamydomonas, Chlorella, Senidesmus and Acylatoria, these are useful in disposal of sewage. The sewage is generally rich in sulfur, phosphorus, nitrogen, potassium, and other mineral nutrients and free from harmful substances. The algal members perform photosynthesis. These photosynthesis can provide oxygen which can be utilized by some of the bacteria which are already present in sewage water, and it can perform sewage decomposition. The organic waste and CO2 which are obtained, which are generated during sewage disposal, that can be again used by algae. Source of minerals and elements. Scales like Laminaria, Macrocystis, Fucus. It contains iodine, bromine, boron, copper, cobalt, chromium, iron, manganese, molybdenum and zinc. These can be obtained from scales. The brown seaweeds like kales, these are rich in some of the minerals like soda and iodine. These are extracted from Laminaria, Fucus and Macrocystis. The bromine is obtained from Rhodomella and Polysiphonia. Other important minerals such as copper, cobalt, iron, zinc, manganese, vanadium, potash, boron and chromium, these are obtained from many seaweeds. About 25% of iodine, it is extracted from kales. Many seaweeds such as Acrophyllum, Fucus, Laminaria, Sargassum, Rhodominia are used to feed some of the animals like sheep, goat, cattle and poultry as a fodder in many countries. Especially the chopped kales are given to sheep and chicken. Some of the red algae, these members having CaCO3 calcium carbonate deposition on its body surface like Corallina. These are contribute to form coral reef formation in water. Some of the algae, these are growing as a symbiotic members along with fungi. Now it form lichens. The lichens are the pioneer of plant succession on barren rocks forming primary soil. When the algal members having symbiosis with fungi, when it form lichens by secreting some of the chemicals on rock surface, it can form soil during plant succession. The mucilage is another material. Such type of mucilage, it is extracted from carrageenan and chondra etc. and used as a stiffening agent in the preparation of cosmetics, shaving creams, shoe polish and shampoos. One of the algae, it is called Cephalareus virescens. Now it is a parasitic green algae. Now it causes red rust disease in tea plants. Some of the toxins produced by Phymenizium parvum, Gymnodinium venifacium, Microcystis, and Goniolux. Because of these poisons, some of the fishes and other aquatic animals it may be die. Algae, it contamination causes change in pH, concentration of CO2, bicarbonates and oxygen present in water. Chlorella, it is sometimes it causes skin infections. These are the economic importance of algae. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like, share my videos to your students and friends.